Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Welcome back to the IT tutorial series. And in this series, I will show you a new video of my IT tutorial, that is Adobe Photoshop tutorial. And in this first Adobe Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to make an oil painting effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so this is the home panel in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, if you have the image, you can click open, but if you want to setting the artwork, you can click new file. And here in this case, because I have the image, so I will click the open buttons and I will open my image. So in here I will prepare my image, that is a cat. Okay, after that, this is the our image. The artwork will resize depends on our image size. Okay, then this is our image. Then this is the layers panel, and in the layers panel, click the image that be the background and click Ctrl plus G. It will duplicate our image and be the layer ones. After that, we have to little grading it to make it more unique and perfect. Okay, the first click the layer 1 image in here, and then go to the image and go to the adjustment, and then go to shadow and highlight. Then I will increase the shadow. Okay, I think this is enough. Then click OK. After little grading our image, then click layer 1 again. We'll add the little oil painting effect using diffuse effect. So go to the filter panel in here and go to the stylize and diffuse and change the model to anisotropic if your model is normal or other besides anisotropic. After that, click OK. Okay, this effect not all is perfect, so we have to repeat it 4 or 5 times again. So for make it perfect, you can rotate your image tool in the image panel, and then image rotation 90 degrees clockwise, and then go to the filter again, diffuse again. Okay, waiting in here, and then go to the image rotation again, 90 degrees clockwise, and then diffuse again. Repeat it until this image rotate to the normal degrees. Then image rotation again, 90 degrees, filter, diffuse. Okay, waiting, still waiting in here. Then image rotation again, 90 degrees clockwise, and this is already done. You can see in here like a wavy effect. This is the normal image, and this is the image that we have at grading and little effect. After that, click the layer 1 again, and then click Ctrl G. Then in the layer 1 copy, that's copy from the layer 1's, go to the filter effect and go to the other, and then click high pass and set the high pass to 2.0 pixels. Radius is 2.0 pixels, and then click OK. And in the layer panel, click the layer 1 copy that we already high pass, and then in the normal, in the blending option in here, blend mode, a blend mode in here, change from normal to the overlay. It will add more details. If you can see in here, it add more details. See, it's add more details. After that, click the layer 1 copy and the layer 1, and then right click using your mouse, and then go to the merge layer. It will merge these two layers be one layers. Okay, after that, the next step that we have to do is making more details. So for the first, we have to adding more effect. We have to unsharp this image first. Okay, so the first, go to the filter, go to the sharpen, and then unsharp mask. Keep mount behind 150, and then radius is 2.0. Keep the radius to 2.0. Wait, keep radius to 2.0, and then threshold to the 0, and then okay again. Okay, after that, add more detail again. So copy this layer 1, copy, control G, and name it to be details. Okay, after that, go to the filter effect in here, go to other, go to the high pass. Okay, radius is 2.0 pixels, then okay, go to the blend mode, and then set the blend mode to the overlay again. And after that, unsharp will we will unsharp the image again. Go to the filter in details, with in layer 1, copy, go to filters and go to sharpen, and then unsharp mask, and set the amount behind 100. Okay, okay, after that, after we add the details, it will add more details. And after that, click this layer and this layer, and then merge layer again. Okay, this is, so the layer have been merged. So this is little wavy, but the final effect is in here. So click this image and change the name, be final in here, and then go to the filter in here, go to the filter, stylize, and in the stylize, click oil paint. It will add your real oil paint. Okay, wait. Okay, so for the first stylization, to the cleanness is maximum values, that is 10.0, and then for the scale, I think is enough. I think yes, is enough. Then after that, add more layers, add more oil paint, stylize, then oil paint and stylization. I will add more stylization in your okay. Then click OK again. But it's not already done. But it's almost done. You can see this is the effect is almost done. Oil painting effect. Okay, after that, make new layers in here, in this plus mark. Click the plus mark, and it will add more layer, that is layer 1. And in the layer 1, click the layer 1, and using brush tool in here, or you can, the shortcut is B, using brush tool. And we have to, for this is for change, right click for change the size, like that. And or you can click the left and right bracket to increase and decrease the size, like this. Okay, after that we'll make a light effect. So the first, maybe I want gold. Yes, I want gold. This is the color picker, and then give the brush in here, and then I want a blue blue color. Okay, little blue in here, then click OK, and then after that back to the selection tool or move tool I mean, then click the layer tool in here in the layer panel. In the layer panel, click the layer 1 and go to the blend mode, change from normal to the overlay, and you can see in here our image was done. Easy, right? This is faster than you think. I sure this is faster than you think, because to make it is very easy, the but but the value is very aesthetic. This is a cool images, and you can post this image to your social media and other things like that. Okay everyone, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video, and for the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.